What's up, everybody? It's been about a year and a half since the last time I did a video. Thought I'd give you guys an update, let you know what's been going on with me, so stick around for this quick update. I was crazy excited about photography, videography. I had just barely bought my brand new M1 MacBook Pro. Things seemed to be going pretty good. However, once I got down to brass tacks with this thing, I discovered that this laptop is just dog slow. For anybody that uses Final Cut Pro, it works great. For anybody that uses Photoshop, Lightroom, it just doesn't cut it. You need way more memory and you need way more hard drive storage space. But all of that is beside the point. Since that last update, my kids moved down from Salt Lake to live with me in Las Vegas. COVID had done a number on everybody. We'd been stuck in Las Vegas for about a year and a half. I kept getting hired to work on projects in Salt Lake. My wife's kids are also from Salt Lake. And after being stuck in Las Vegas for almost 2 years, we decided maybe it's time to move back to Salt Lake. So we decided maybe it's time we start looking for work. My wife quickly found out that they were looking for help at her current work. I took the plunge, discovered that one of my old clients actually was hiring. So it seemed like it was the perfect opportunity for us to move back. I personally was really excited to move back because it meant being close to my friends, being close to a lot of my old clients, but as it turned out, this computer was absolutely letting me down. Every single time I opened up a project to work on something, after a few edits in, I would discover that the computer was not keeping up with me. Anybody that's ever worked in Photoshop on an old computer has probably experienced this, where you click the space bar and you drag across the screen. Well, on this computer, for some reason, every single time I clicked the spacebar to move the screen around, I would end up accidentally painting something and I didn't know it until several edits later, and I'd have to go back and redo the entire image. So needless to say, my work has suffered as a result of using this computer. So for the time being, I've actually decided to take a different route. One of the things that most photographers struggle with is business and saving money. So one of the things I've decided to do is, instead of talking about how to do photography, I've actually decided to delve into a little bit of what I've been working on lately, which is crypto. So hopefully you'll enjoy these upcoming videos that I'm going to produce. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help out and answer any questions that you've got. Until next time, I'm danamezcua.